Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to see your Instagram blocked users by using the Android mobile. At same time this trick also works on iOS platforms because here I show the steps by using the Instagram application. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application. So now in this homepage section you can press your profile picture icon and it shows me Insta profile informations. So here you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and then go to settings. So here you can go to security settings and then click to access data, and this section will help you to know about your Instagram account details. So here you can scroll down and then go to connections category. So now in this connection category, it has the one option called accounts you blocked. So just press this option. Finally, I get to my all Instagram blocked users list. So here you can check it. But if you like to unblock particular user, just search that username and then press unblock. So you can unblock your Instagram blocked users by one. So anyway, overall I complete my tutorial. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.